Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to play the role of Captain Obvious, but I am anyways. What a monstrous day here. Really from the get-go. I mean, the first 30 minutes, the price came roaring out of the gates, and then just kept on cruising, including, basically late afternoon too, when the price just kept on going upwards. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, and then we'll focus on some areas of resistance. So the first area of support, and this is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $2.55, that would be a very, very good sign of strength. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the most powerful? Staying up above $2.55 would do exactly that. Next level of support after that, down here at $2.10. So $2.55, $2.10, the two near-term areas of support. And then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize the purple line's way down there. The closing price is way up there, so it's irrelevant at this point. I would agree with that. But keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way upwards. So again, the very simplistic way to look at that is as long as the price remains above the line that's increasing, well, that implies that the price itself is increasing, and that's how uptrends are built, right? So as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, I'm actually going to change over to the daily time frame because I think it's been a while since the price has been up this high. And from a presentation standpoint, and wanting to try to make this as easy to see as possible, so let's see. $2 and let's just call it $3. $3 next key level, and that's essentially where it bounced off of today, which makes good sense. Why do I say that? Well, if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see right here, a couple times price got within the vicinity, and then right here, not even in the vicinity, directly bounced off of it. So $3, that initial short-term area of resistance, if the price can then push through that, next level of resistance after that to keep an eye on about $3.25. So no doubt about it, very powerful day today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.